Give me my llama, riding with 300, with 300 for DCG Sosa, I swear I got they all now. La Sosa, oh, and the no, and with them old boss, you gon' give a fuck. Rari's.
Man, I can't wait to put this dip in. I hope Pastor Jason Britt doesn't walk in right now. Oh no, Pastor Jason Britt!
What are you doing, man?
I'm doing the whole dip can challenge.
Shoot.
You want some, Pastor Jason Britt?
Shoot, yeah.
I'm gonna let you pack it yourself, Pastor Jason Britt. Get a big old pinch, Pastor Jason Britt.
Oh, shoot, yeah. Here you go, son.
Nice pinch, Pastor.
Thanks, son.
Jack Link's jerky beef chew.
Jack Link's beef jerky soup.
I can almost see it, that dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. It ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. The struggles I'm facing, the chances I'm taking, sometimes might knock me down, but no, I'm not breaking. I may not know it, but these are the moments that I'm gonna remember most. Yeah, just gotta keep going.